Hi guys, today we are going to see how to install Tor Browser in Kali Linux. So this is session 3. In the session 3 we have installed the VirtualBox and we have installed the Kali Linux in that VirtualBox, and then we are going to install the Tor Browser. In the session 1 we have seen the introduction of ethical hacking. In the session 2 we have seen the network basics. In the session 3 we are going to set up our environment for further sessions to do some practicals. So what is Tor Browser? Tor Browser is nothing but it helps in browsing the internet anonymously by hiding our IP address. Tor can also be used to access blocked websites. It means in our organization, the firewall may block the YouTube or the Facebook. Through Tor Browser, you are able to access the YouTube or the Facebook if you install in your operating system. So the black hat hackers use Tor to access the dark web to perform illegal activities by protecting their identity. So almost what it do means it will, when we use a Tor browser, automatically we will be the anonymous in the network. So nobody will see us which IP is coming. Nobody is trying to track us. So if they try to track, they will get some different IP address because Tor browser work like in the different nodes. It has some 4 nodes. In the each time it will change their IP address. So the Tor browser main benefit is we will be in the anonymous network. Nobody will trace us. So this is about the Tor browser. In the Tor browser, using the Tor browser, we have the dark website and the deep websites. So these are things will be covered in the Tor browser. In the dark website and deep web chapter is different. That chapter, when we comes to that chapter, we are going to see in detail what is dark web and what is deep web. So presently we are going to install Tor browser in our Kali Linux machine. So let's start. First go to the Mozilla Firefox. Then click to the Tor browser, download. Then this is the icon you are able to see. Just click that icon. See, you will get the Windows, Mac OS, Linux and Android. We are going to install the Linux. I already installed this application, but to show you, I am going to install once again. Now it is downloading. The browser is going to download, and now it is downloaded. So now we are going to open that folder. This is the Tor browser folder. So let's see what are the steps we are going to perform to use Tor browser. The first, I am going to extract here only. You can copy the folder and you can keep in the document or desktop or the documents, and you extract there, and you can use the terminal to run the Tor browser. But for the temporarily, I am going to show you how to use Tor browser. In the downloadings only, I am extracted. Now I am going to use the terminal to use the Tor browser. CD download ls. Now where is the Tor browser? There is other 2 Tor browsers are there. Already I have installed that. So I am going to, already I have downloaded that. Now I am going to take one of that Tor 0.7/vs. Next, cd Tor browser. Now we are able to see the browser folder and the start the -tor browser dot this thing. Now cd browser, we are able to see the some items. In that you will select this one. Before that we have to do some settings in that. For that I am going to take the leaf pad. Start browser. Then I will click. Same thing you have to do here. Search for the root. You are able to find the root. Then put these comments: hash, 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 hash. These comments you have to put. You have to put these hash comments. Then when you install, you will not find these things. I already set up in the Tor browser this file, so it is already showing. So whatever I am showing, you have to put the hash comments here, then close. Save the changings and then close. Then now you will do start, like start, then click. Now you are going to see the Tor browser is opening. This is the Tor browser. Let's see what is your IP address. Check what is your IP address. See, your IP is this 5.199.135.107. Actually, your IP is our IP address is 183.83.68.26, but in the Tor browser it is showing that 5.199.135.107. From the Tor browser, if you do anything, it means if you do any activity, you will be the hidden. You will be the anonymously you can do. They unable to trace your tracks. While if you want to send any email, if you want to send any chatting messages, if you want to do some activities, if you want to do some purchasing items in the dark web, whatever you will do here, they are unable to track you. But some cases they may be do tracking if that is a financial loss for the country and the national security issues. So at that time they maybe find your tracks. But until that, if you do the small things while using the Tor browser, also we are able to use. We have to use the VPN from the background. So you are totally anonymous purely because there is no trace to identify you. You will be the ghost. It means you will. Then nobody will find you anywhere if you do anything. So if you do the VPN, then you start the Tor browser, then you do some activity. So there is no tracks will be there. If they want to if they want to break the VPN, but they will come to the Tor browser. If they want to break the Tor browser, they will see the other VPN. So there is no traces are there to find you. So this is the things is there. But the one drawback is there. The whatever the activities we are going to do, it will take some internet will be very slow because the VPN is running and the Tor browser is running. Two things are running here. So that's why we have to use Tor browser for the practical purpose. After that, that is your wish. If you want to be more secure, you will be use the background the VPN and then run the Tor browser. This is more secure. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe my channel and let us share my channel. If you have any doubts, please comment me. I will give you answer as soon as possible and thank you very much.